Okay, so hi there everyone. We're going to continue with our videos in the introduction to Vedic Mathematics. We're now on 1.4, where we have to subtract any number from any subbase number. And this is the same with 1.3, only that when the number of zeros in the subbase number is less than the number of digits in the number being subtracted. Okay, so the keyword here, the change from 1.3, is that the word is less than. So let's give an example, give it a try. Okay, now, for instance, we have 500 minus 164. Now, you can see that the number of zeros here is less than the number of digits in the number being subtracted. So what will we do? As usual, if we can remember our 1.2, what we did there is we automatically minus 1 from this 5 here, from this base number. And also from 1.3, rather 1.3, not 1.2. We will reduce first the digit from the left of the subbase number by 1. That's automatic. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then we will subtract the first digit from the left of the number to be subtracted from that original number. So since we have 4, we're going to minus 1 from that, since that's our first number there. So that's going to be 4 minus 1 is 3. And then we proceed with the sutra, all from 9 to the last from 10, the Nikalam. Okay, sutra. So we look at 64 and then we have the zeros here. Remember, we have only 3, so we have 3 on the 100th place. And then from the by the Nikalam Sutra, what we have here, all from 9, that's going to give us 3, and last from 10, that's going to give us 6. So the answer is 336. So let's give one more example. So we have 70,000 minus 46,363. So the solution there is, first we minus 7 by 1, rather 7 by 1 is going to give us 6. We're going to write that down. 6 minus 4 is going to give us 2. So there's expect a 2 here in the 10,000s place, and then we're going to apply the sutra, all from 9 to the last from 10. That's going to give us, what will you add to 3 to make it 9? That's going to give us 6. What will you add to 6 to make it 9? That's going to give us 3. What will you add to 3 to make it 9? That's going to give us 6. And what will you add to 6 to make it 9? That's going to give us 4. Rather, make it 10. So that's going to give us 4. But anyways, I think we have written this wrongly. It should be 46363. So 6363, not 3636. So this should be the answer, not this one. I'm sorry about that. So this should be 6363. So looking at here, we have 2, 3, 6, 3, all from 10, 7. Rather, last from 10. Okay, so sorry for the typo. Let's proceed with the practice. You may pause the video if you want to try this out and make use of that lesson that we just had a while ago. Okay, so let's answer this. So we have 5,000. This is just a combination of all the, I think, 1.3 and 1.4 already. So we have 5,000 minus 76. So just like what we did in 1.2, we're going to imagine there are zeros in before the 7 here, because we have 3 zeros here. So 5 minus 1 is 4. There's a 0 here. So 4, 9, all from 9 to the last from 10. 4, 9, 2, last from 10, 4. So 4,924. Number 2, we have 40,000 minus 275. We lack 1 0. We're going to install a 0 here. So 4 minus 1 is 3. There's a 0 here, all from 9 to the last from 10. 3, 9, 7, 2, and last from 10, 5. So 39,725. Number 3, we have 600 minus 262. This is just our lesson. So 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. And then all from 9, 3, 0, since it's 9 already, and then 8, last from 10. So 308. And then we have number 4. We have 300,000 minus 426. So we're going to install 2 zeros here. 3 minus 1 is 2. We have 2 zeros, 299, 5, 7, all from last from 10, 4. So that's 299,574. So that's it for this video. It's a short one, like we always do in the introduction to Vedic Mathematics. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you like and subscribe, and see you soon for more videos. Okay, so thank you.